Hello friends, how are you? I'm Ashok. Welcome in my channel. Friends, in the last video I told you how we can make these sentences by using was and were. Obviously, we made the sentences in past tense. I hope you understood that all sentences in that video. If you want watch that video, then please above there is a link. You click on there. You can watch that video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how we can make the question sentences by using was and were. So let's we start our today's video. Friends, was and were, as I told you, these are the past forms. So whenever we want say something about the history time or the past time or the before time, at that time we use these two words was and were. Okay, so let's we see how we can make the question sentences by using was and were. At very first, we will see the sentences, the examples of was verb, and then we will see the were. Okay, you say after me please. And this I were requested you in the last video also. Whenever I finish my sentence, then after that you say or you speak, you repeat that sentence, then you can improve your communication skill. If you will not speak after me, then you will not improve your communication skill. So please, you say after me, repeat my sentences. You can speak with me also. Okay, you see the sentence on screen and you speak with me, or you can speak after me, but you speak. It is the way that we can improve our communication skill. Let's we see the more examples about was, how we can make the question sentence. Was Sandesh with him? You say after. Was the last night dark? Was the tea hot? Was the teacher present? Was the school open yesterday? Was he with her? Was Rohan at home yesterday? Was Varsha at home the day before yesterday? Was Divya did her homework? Was Shlok sung a song? Was Deepak delivered his speech? Was Mohan went to bank yesterday? Was Chaitanya played with Sandesh? Was Mohan closed his shop last night? So these are the question sentences that we have seen. Friends, we can use was word with continue form also. Let's we see how we can make the continue sentences that shows the action which going on continuously. The questions are like this. Was Sandesh playing with Chaitanya yesterday? Was Mohan going to bank yesterday? Was Varsha work in farm yesterday? Was Mayuresh playing football? Was he watching TV? Was he reading English textbook? Was she solving the maths problem yesterday? Was he completing his homework? Was he doing his study? Was he driving a car? Was she climbing on a mountain? Was Chaitanya playing PUBG? Was Shlok speaking English yesterday? So these are the examples that we have seen, and they shows continue form, continue actions which is going on. Okay, let's we see how we can make the question sentences by using were, verb, WERE. Okay, let's we see. Were they doctors? You say after me. Were they players? Were they at home? Were they together at the last night? So these are the examples that we have seen, and that these were very in simple form. Okay, so let's we see how we can make the more sentences like continue form. Okay, let's see. Were they playing cricket yesterday? Were we watching TV last night? Were Suresh and Mayuresh were playing together? Were Sandesh and Chaitanya playing cricket? Were Divya and Vaishnavi dancing on a stage? Were they watching movies? Were they doing study? So these are the question sentences that we have seen. Friends, we can make negative sentences also. Okay, so let's we see how we can make the negative sentences by using was and were verb. Friends, it's a very simple technique that we can use negative, that we can make negative sentences by using not word. Okay, you just use not word before the verb. Okay, how? Let's see. Was not Sandesh at home last night? Was not Mohan played cricket? Was not Varsha with Sandesh? Was not Deepak closed his shop? Was not Rohan played a game? So these are the examples of negative sentences. Friends, keep in your mind that when we use not word before the verb, at that time the sentence will become negative form. Okay, so these were the question sentences that we have seen. Let's we see negative sentences by using were word, and before the verb we have to use not word, so we can make the negative sentences. Okay, let's see. Were not they playing cricket? You say after me, huh? Please. Were not they watching movies? Were not they speaking with each other? Were not they going to school? Were not they doing their study? Were not they going to farm? Were not they working in the house? Were not they completing their homework? Were not they drying their car? Were not we drawing a picture? Were not Sandesh and Chaitanya were drawing a picture? Were not Divya and Vaishnavi dancing on a stage at last night? Were not Deepak and Sandeep going to bank? Were not Raj and Tejas doing their study? So these are the examples of negative form. Friends, in this video I told you all about the was and were, how we can make the question sentences, how we can make the negative question sentences. So when you learn all these, you can make your communication very beautiful. You can make more sentences by using was and were with their negative form. We can make the question sentences also in negative form. So I hope I cleared my topic here well. Friends, if you have any problem, any doubt, then please comment me in the comment box. Then I can see what the problem is there. If you understand all these things, then it's not a worry about that. Okay. So I'll stop here. I think I clear my point here well. If you like my video, then please subscribe it and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice time.